Hey guys, here a quick update of what is to come for the KTM 300 bike build. So these are most of the items that I will put on the bike. A couple items are still on the way. The fan, the factory seat and bar risers, and I think it will come 1 week later, so not a big deal. So here a quick overview, mostly guards, EXC skid plate, hand guards, swing arm guards, exhaust guard, front disc guard, rear disc guard, radiator guard, clutch slave guard, right fork leg guard, then chain guard extension or protector, front and rear straps, a fuel tank, I think very important fuel tank, filter. Then we have from Tokyo Off-Road a couple mods. We have the capacitor to bump start the bike, because the new bikes, they don't have the capacitor built in, so if you have a dead battery you cannot start the bike, so you need a capacitor. I will put that in. Easy clutch lever, XRC brass bushings for the starter just to prevent wear. It's more like a preventative maintenance. Then CCP mod for the sensor, also Tokyo Off-Road, to make sure it has a proper connection and no dust gets in. So also preventative maintenance, trying to avoid the issues that most people have experienced with failed sensors, mostly because of dust coming in. And the idle mod screw, so I got the screw already. I'm gonna try a LED. This is a Chinese version. I'm gonna try it out. If I don't like it, I'm gonna throw it away. The 2022 factory racing decal set with a small modification from some of my friends, and of course don't want to miss Enduro Paradise is also on there. There's another one on the tank decal. So that's just a little bit of what's to come. Subscribe if you want to see the bike build. It's exciting times. I'm very excited and it's a lot of work. So see you later, guys.